10-15 marks extra than other candidate, and that will keep you ahead in the competition, right? So if you want to be ahead in the competition, you have to think differently, you have to execute differently, you have to be different from anyone else, right? So
welcome to Ignite India Education, India's leading design, architecture, fine arts, law and management entrance exam preparation ISO 9001:2015 certified institute.
everyone, good morning, and today we are here with the first test paper, an IFT creative ability test, first creative ability test paper. And you can, in previous videos we have already explained you the creative ability test syllabus. Also we have made video, and yesterday we have posted. In the video we have explained you the previous 10-year question paper 2010 to 2019. We have explained you how to solve that. I hope you have watched the video, and it's there in the playlist. Just watch and try to solve those questions for your better understanding of creative ability test. You can, after solving the paper, you can send us for feedback on 9148882412. As you know, creative ability test have 50% weightage. So this test is very, very important, and this will definitely help you in scoring well. And if you want to add your admission in the top NIPT campuses, this subject will definitely help you in your ranking as well. So let's move to the question which you should solve, and you should send on 9148882412. We will sharing the feedback in the next videos. The mock test 1: design a poster for any one topic. Go green, sustainable fashion, global warming, CP26 Global Summit, Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina. So this is the first question which you have to solve. Think about it, take some time, and solve the paper. If you have time, you may draw all of these, so that will be better actually. But what you can do, you just take 3 hours and solve the paper. So you have 3 questions in 3 hours. Second question is design a bed sheet print pattern using any 2 motifs. So right side you can see the motifs here. There are different motifs, so you should choose any 2 motifs and create a bedsheet pattern. Moving to the next, third question: draw any 2 emotions using dots and or lines. And this is question third: draw any 2 emotions using dots and or lines. Joy, gratitude, pride, interest, amusement, hope, serenity. So these emotions basically you have to draw using dots or lines, any 2 emotions, right, in A4 sheets. And these are the motifs. Use any 2 motifs and draw a bedsheet pattern in A4 sheet. Design a poster for any one topic. Go green, sustainable fashion, global warming, CP26 Global Summit, Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina. So these are the topics which you have to pick any one topic. All right, so that is why we say keep yourself aware on.
Are you a design, architecture, or fine arts career aspirant? This video is for you. Crack NID, NIFT, NATA, CED, UCED entrance exam with India's #1 entrance exam preparation institute, having 100% student selection record in top ranking colleges in previous years. Register for a free demo class and get up to 100% scholarships. What are you waiting for? Register now.
Current affairs, what is happening now in the world, in the India, and government campaigns. All right, so if you see, everybody is talking about Earth, right? This is the planet where we live and how we will save the planet. So people are thinking about it, and there are different activities. The whole world is talking about it. So these are the topics which may come in 2022 NIFT. So you should practice this, and this paper will definitely help you. You can solve these papers and send us on the WhatsApp, right? 914-888-2412. Try solving this paper in 3 hours. All right. Later you can practice all these topics. But before you start this, just sit in a room where you are alone and think this is the exam. All right. And try to solve this in 3 hours. First, you read the question, make some doodling, right? Do the small doodling. Think how you're different from others, how your a sketch is different, how try to make more than a sketch, what kind of message you want to give it to people, right? And if you're making it, whether it is communicating something, is it more than just artwork, right? So these are the things which will make you different from others. There you will be scoring more in this exam. So this is the key. This is the key which I said I will be talking today. A key where you can score 10-15 marks extra than other candidate, and that will keep you ahead in the competition. Right. So if you want to be ahead in the competition, you have to think differently, you have to execute differently, you have to be different from anyone else, right? So this question paper, if you want to score 10-15 extra marks, this is how you can score 10-15 extra marks. So I hope this is helpful, and we will be waiting for your response. If you want to join our regular class, you can contact us and join regular classes where faculty will be teaching you in a systematic way and they will be guiding you. And I hope you all know how important is CAT, and that is why we are focused on the CAT. And subscribe this channel, so whenever we will be live, you can get notification and you can watch this video. So in coming days, we are going to post more videos related to NIFT entrance, right? For UG, PG and BF Tech, MF Tech technology related video. So guys, you subscribe this channel, and if you have any doubt, you can WhatsApp, you can ask us. Also, you can check our Instagram, which is ignite_India. You can go there. You can go there, and there also you can ask question or any doubt if you have. We'll see you in the next video. I hope you have liked this video. So please comment and let us know. Also, if you want us to make videos in any other topic, or if you have any suggestion, that also you can tell, and how you like this video, how much helpful is this previous year question paper sessions, let us know.
Are you a design, architecture, or fine arts career aspirant? This video is for you. Crack NID, NIFT, NATA, CED, UCED, entrance exam with India's #1 entrance exam preparation institute, having a 100% student selection record in top ranking colleges in previous years. Register for a free demo class and get up to 100% scholarships. What are you waiting for? Register now.